This is on that Mercury motor that had a meltdown. After digging through all the wiring harnesses and finally pulling them apart, this is the wiring harness that had the wire that was melted in it, and it was just going straight to the input side of the solenoid for the starter, and so the other wire that was on that terminal went straight to the battery. And that wire right there that fried was the lightest part going between where it shorted up here on the rectifier. So it just acted sort of like a fusible link for the most part. And the neat thing about that is there's where it's shorted right there. And so when I get the new rectifier in, I'm just going to go ahead and run with this bullet connector. Instead of trying to rework this wiring harness, I'm just going to go straight from this bullet connector and run another hot wire, and on the end of that hot wire just come off of there and run over and outside the wiring harness, and I'll be able to straighten up all this right here. It actually just melted all the insulation off the wires, but it didn't get into the insulation on the original wire. Once I've been pulling that off of each of the wires, the coating's still good on the original wire. That's just where the insulation melted on this wire right here and stuck to it. So looks like we need one of those. And hopefully I can remember where all these wires went to, and everything should be good.